Quantum computing is really a new way to think about compute. In the old way, it's been ones and zeros stored sequentially. But when we talk about quantum, it's really looking at the level of physics to be able to see storing ones and zeros in the same space. That opens up a whole new world of how you can solve problems, but it also opens up a whole new world of challenges. Things like encryption and being able to encrypt the work that's done. So while quantum is by far one of the biggest potential breakthroughs coming in the next decade, there are challenges associated with it that we need to think about when it comes to encryption and data. So why should leaders be paying attention to what quantum is doing? There's a lot of reasons. The first one is security, making sure that we're prepared for the quantum world where security can be hacked, and we need to understand how we protect ourselves as those technologies start to grow. Others are the ability for quantum to really change the way we look at data and AI. So as we think through the massive amounts of data we have, we need to think about the value proposition for our organization. It really comes down to big data sets and big complex data sets that can be computed simultaneously. Things that take a long time to run, things like logistics, supply chain, medical, materials, things that really unlock a lot of potential by throwing huge compute at it. When we think about high performance computing today, it's expensive, it's linear, takes a lot of setup time. With quantum, there's a potential that we could solve that in real time, and that's a big, huge thing for those areas. Challenge becomes, where do we apply it and how do we protect against some of the things that could come in and impact some of those big data sets as well? So while the benefits are potentially huge, the risks are also there. As leaders, while the impact of quantum computing may be a few years out, we need to make sure that it's on our radar and it's part of our strategy to understand both the impact and the value that it can drive for us. So we need to put it on the agenda and make sure that we're tracking it as we move forward.